Once upon a time, there was a guy named Nilesh who wanted to do something different in his life and don't want to go for a traditional job. So he started learning about online business and marketing and so purchased some courses. But inside the courses, there is so much content. So he will be confused and with niche selection and overwhelmed with the content, overwhelmed with the information. So yeah, hi everyone. This is Nilesh and secret number 7, expert secret series, the hero's to journey. So the it will give you firstly, it will give you the context for what a good story needs to be will help you to craft your epiphany bridge story. So we discussed epiphany in the previous video. So it will help you to craft your epiphany bridge story. And good story is really a simple. Good story is really very simple that depend upon the complexity. We share same story in the 60-second or the 60 minute. So all with the same desired effect. All the good story is really simple. You can tell a good story in the 60 second or in the 60 minutes. So you can craft it in the same story with the different patterns. So all with the same desired effect. You can use all with the same desired, right? So every good story is built on the three foundational elements. First is character, number two is desire, and number three is conflict. The good story is based on this three things: character, desire, and conflict. So you can use the same thing. And also it is called as a plot. We can call it as a plot. The plot. You can use the create the plot statement. So these are the basic element of any type of story. Maybe it is a movie, book, play, TV show, anything. All the stories on the three thing, and if you were got those three things, then you were got a good story. If you have a desire, character, desire, and conflict, you have a good story. So what is it is called the plot. So the your plot statement is like once upon a time there was a guy named uh, Tom, and who wanted to do something different in his life and don't want to go for a traditional job. So he started learning about the market, business, online marketing, and so purchased some courses. But inside the courses, there is so much things. So he will be confused with niche selection or overwhelmed with the content. So you can, so if you see the plot statement is like a character name is Tom, or you can choose your name. A character name is Nilesh. Desire, want to do something different. He want to achieve something different is desired. Conflict confused with niche selection and overwhelmed with information. Confused. It is the plot statement that create your story, that help you to create your first story. So once upon a time, there was a guy named Nilesh who wanted to do something different in his life and don't want to go for a traditional job. So he started learning about online business and marketing and so purchased some courses. But inside the courses, there is so much content. So he will be confused and with niche selection and overwhelmed with the content, overwhelmed with the information. It is like this. So that is the basic structure of your every story, and you can use the this plot statement to start this journey with this structure, or we can speak our story in a few seconds as so long as our as well. So now we see how the look into the emotion. So how character plot statement is character, desire, and conflict. So this is the basic structure of every story, and you can use this plot statement to start your story with this structure. We speak a few second story in a few second or also in a long hour as well. So now we create a basic plot statement. So we have this tool. Now we see how we hook into the people's nation emotion. First thing is build rapport with the hero. Two, you can build your rapport with the hero. How? Build rapport is the main essence, so we can have a vested interest in their journey. Like, so we need to build a rapport in the story of, otherwise no one cares. No one cares that uh, who is this, there is no one cares. So we need to build a rapport. The fastest way to do is to connect with two or more core identities. First, victim. There is something happened with him, or something happened wrong with him, so he is like victim mindset. So you can connect with like this, in this way. Then jeopardy, danger. Something happened that is not good, so it is like this. Then likable. A person is likable, he has some good influence, or people like him, it is work. Then funny. He is like a funny person who give them value with the funny, in the unique way, or a good way. Then powerful. He's so much powerful with his content, with his information. So this is how we build our rapport. Then the second is introduce the desire of something core. Every story is about the journey either toward pleasure or away from the pain. Every story is about journey either toward pleasure or away from the pain. The hero have must suffered from some type of wound or carry an unhealed source of continuous pain in the backstory. He faced so many challenges or so many pain in his backstory, so it wound to fear and pain. It stops him to his growth. So usually the hero is desired to accomplish something they believe will heal that wound. So introduce the desire of something more. He wants something more in his life. So there are the four core desires that drive hero most heroes. Two of them is move away toward the pleasure, and two move away from the pain. To win it on the way to increase the status. Toward the pleasure is to win it on the way to increase his stresses. And the second is to retrieve. Hero wants to obtain something and bring it back. Hero want to obtain something and again bring it back. Then the second is away from the pain. To escape and the to stop. There is a two thing, that to escape or to stop. So hero desire to get away from something that's upsetting or causing pain. Hero desire to get away from something that upsetting or causing pain. And to stop. Hero want to stop some bad thing from happening. Hero wants to stop the bad thing that happening. This story is describe the journey of achieving that desire, but the most hero is actually on the two journey. Hero is actually on the hero is the attractive character on the two journey. The first is that everyone sees on that one, that everyone sees the journey of achievement, and the second one that is hidden, the journey of transformation. Or my journey of transformation is like, I started Facebook Live in January, but I was doing videos in from last July. July. So in the July to December, I was hide on that hidden the journey of transformation. I am work on the journey of transformation, but when I come up in front of everyone hidden, I remove my limiting beliefs, so that is everyone see the journey of achievement, that from the day 1 to day 100 of Facebook Live. Then yeah, that the journey of achievement is, there is a visible goal with the finish line that everyone see. Isn't the reason the hero set out a new journey in the first place? And the journey of transformation, a particular identity is very important to the hero at the beginning of the story. Particular identity, and but along the way become someone else to someone better. Along the way, someone else to someone better. It's almost like a death of their old belief system and the rebirth or research of a new person. Rebirth of the new person. This transformation is the real journey that our hero has actually been on. Old belief to new belief. Old belief, identity, and essence. The third thing, introduce the conflict. Desire is essential to the story because it shows the goal. If there is no desire, then it doesn't, we are don't work on it to achieve the desire. So desire is essential to the story because it shows the end goal and it provides a reason for the journey to move forward. If it is the provide to journey to the move forward, but emotion doesn't come from the desire. Emotion doesn't come from the desire. It comes from the conflict the hero facing try to gain the desire. So much of obstacle while I am pursuing on the goal. There is so much obstacle on this way. It doesn't seem impossible. A hero to get what they want people. So our primary goal as a storyteller is to elect emotion, and you can't do that without conflict. So there are the 5 turning points that create the emotion in almost all the films, almost all the story. The first, opportunity. Everyone get opportunity, so there is a new situation. Then changes of plan. Changes of plan. So you will need to change your plan. You need to, if you want to get some good result, then you need to work on it, change your plan. So from this plan, changing on plan, you will on the path of progress. So point of return, there is no point of return. Now you are on the path of progress, so there is no point of return. Then fourth is complication, major setback. Major setback is the from the point of no return to major setback. There is in the mid complication, higher stake. There is a high chance major setbacks you will get. Then the fifth final point is the climax, and the climax is the hero's new life is revealed and the journey is completed. You can do a story in this way, like the hero's two journey from the characters to desire to conflict. Character is your characteristic, means person. Desire the thing that he want to achieve, and conflict the thing that stop him to achieve his goal, his result, his desire. That is it, and yeah, thank you so much for subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you so much. Stay here till then. Thanks a lot.